Ready, 3, 2, 1, start. Amid the escalating Taliban military blitz, officials from the US, Russia, China, and Pakistan are meeting in Doha today, Wednesday, as part of an international effort to prevent Afghanistan from descending into a protracted civil war. Full stop. The so-called extended Troika is seeking to develop a regional consensus on the Afghan conflict. Full stop. New paragraph. Notwithstanding some differences, all these countries have a huge stake in peace in Afghanistan. Full stop. It follows another meeting in the Qatari capital on Tuesday of representatives of the UN, the US, and Afghanistan to find ways to revive the stalled intra-Afghanistan peace talks. Full stop. The Afghan Taliban may not be part of any of these conclaves, but the presence of the group's political leadership in the city could help put the message across to them. Full stop. New paragraph. A major question, however, is whether the multinational efforts can force the warring sides to stop hostilities and go for a negotiated political settlement. Full stop. With the Taliban offensive taking a new and bloodier turn, a civil war is already unfolding in Afghanistan. Full stop. After consolidating its hold on large swaths of the countryside, the insurgents have now taken control of several provincial capitals. Full stop. New paragraph. Some of the major cities are now under siege, with a highly demoralized Afghan government forces trying to stop the Taliban onslaught. Full stop. The American Air Force bombing may have slowed down the insurgents' offensive in some areas, but it is not likely to change the situation much. Full stop. With the August 31st deadline for the completion of the withdrawal of US forces approaching, the prospects for a reduction in violence appear diminished. Full stop. The only hope is strong regional pressure on the warring sides, forcing them to return to the negotiating table. Full stop. New paragraph. Initiated by Russia, the Troika Plus format certainly has an important role to play in the Afghanistan end game. Full stop. The three regional countries, Russia, China, and Pakistan, have far greater stakes in stopping the violence in Afghanistan that could have serious implications for the region. Full stop. All of them have good relations with the Taliban, and a collective effort could still work with the insurgents to moderate their hard line position. Full stop.